And this method has made me over $462 just for setting it up, and this is without any sales at all. What's going on, guys? It's Andy here, and in today's video I'm going to show you a simple method that is going to literally blow your mind. And not only that, it's going to make you a lot of money in the process just by giving out free stuff. With this method you can literally give away stuff completely for free and get paid for doing that. And not only that, because as a side effect, while doing this method you will generate affiliate marketing sales without having to work for them at all. Now this is one of those methods that I was using myself as a complete beginner when I was just starting out to generate my first money with online marketing, and now because I have discovered that I have set this up and literally forget about it, ever since then it has been making money for me on complete autopilot without me having to do anything at all. So in today's video I decided to share this method with you, show you step by step how to set this up so you can generate $2.30 over and over again on complete autopilot. So before I show you all of that, just make sure to smash the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm, and to stay tuned for more money making content just make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so I can notify you as soon as I release a brand new money making video. Oh, and also by the way guys, my one-on-one coaching program is live, so if you're interested in learning how I'm making over $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing without showing my face anywhere on the internet, without using my YouTube channel or social media, just go to the first link in the video description and I hope to see you there. Okay guys, the first step what you need to do to make this method work is to get yourself some kind of CPA locking account. For that you can go to any CPA locking network. Back then when I was doing this method for the first time as a complete beginner, I was using this website right here that's called OGAds.com. Now if you already have an account on OGAds, that's pretty great, you can use this website for this, but some of you guys have been messaging me that you're having trouble with registering on OGAds. For some reason your account is not getting approved, and that's the reason why I'm going to show you how to do this with CPA Grip instead. Now CPA Grip is so much more friendly for beginners. You can literally get your account just by filling out a couple of fields right here. All you need to do to get your account approved instantly is just pretty much fill in all these fields with personal information, and right here you need to select website/incent or GPT. That way your account will get approved instantly. You don't have to do any more verification steps. Just go ahead and fill in this registration form and make sure to tick all three of these boxes, click on register now, and you will get your account. Once you do that, all you need to do is just log right into it, and once you log into your CPA Grip account, pretty much all you need to do is just go to these monetization tools, go to URL/file lockers, and you need to create a new file locker. Just click on this button right here to create it, then just go ahead and read through all of these terms of service and click on agree to them and click on continue. And now pretty much all you need to do to get paid on CPA Grip is to create something viral that you can lock using this file locker. Now pretty much to do that, what you want to do is just go to Google and you want to search for a website that's called plr.me. Just hit search on that and just go to this first result that should be right at the top. The website name is plr.me. Just go there and you get access to this virtually unlimited content, PLR content that you can brand as your own. So pretty much to do that, just go to this tab section, go to the product, and right here you can choose from all of these niches to find the most relevant content that you want to lock with the URL locker. And pretty much one of the best options for this is business and marketing, dating and relationships, or also at this point in time in year, pretty much weight loss and fitness is going to work very well with this method. Now once you're going to be picking something from this PLR content, to make sure that you get the best results, you want to pick something that's highly popular. Just go ahead and search through these PLRs, but make sure you're going to pick one that has this green ribbon saying popular on it, because that way you know the content is going to be high quality and it will have high chance of going viral very quickly. So pretty much this is like the basic way that you can go about this, but I'm going to show you an advanced boosted version that you can use to actually generate sales with affiliate marketing as a byproduct of doing this method. Now to do that, just pretty much go to clickbank.com, and if you don't have an account yet, just go ahead and sign up for one, otherwise just log right into it. And once you log into your ClickBank account, go straight to the affiliate marketplace, and pretty much you want to search for a product that has on his affiliate page a viral PLR document. Now pretty much one of the best niches for this is self-help, because these products tend to contain highly viral PLRs. You can just scout through these affiliate pages to find such products, but I'm going to show you one that for certain 100% contains a PLR document on its affiliate page. It's the same one that I have been using when I was first starting out, and it's this one right here that's called the X Factor Guide, the #1 X back product on ClickBank. Pretty much what you want to do is just go to their affiliate page, and again, if you're not going going to be using this product, just scout through a couple of affiliate pages and you will definitely find some, but this is one I'm pretty sure it's containing a PLR document. What you want to do is go to this affiliate page and click on viral PDF, and right here you can see you can download, simply just download for free this high quality document that you can use to promote this product. Now pretty much because this document is containing information how this method works, and it's kind of like a PDF sales page, you can just go ahead and request your very own branded copy of this product by just sending message to the creators of this product, and all you need to do is just include your ClickBank ID in the message. Now if you don't want to be generating any sales with this method at all, but still want something that has the potential to go viral, you can just simply click here to view the sample copy and practically just download this copy right here, and it's going to work still the same, but it's not going to be generating any sales at all. What I highly recommend is that you actually request the branded copy, because that way every time somebody's going to be reading through this, they can purchase the product off ClickBank, and that way you can make some additional money with this. Now pretty much what you want to do is just download the PDF to your computer. Now comes the part where this video is going to get a little bit more complicated, because we need to make difference between Mac users and Windows users with this method. Pretty much if you are a Windows user, you want to go to Google and you want to search for WinRaR, just hit search on that, and you want to download this software that you probably may already know from all the memes about it, or there's a good chance that you are already using it. Pretty much what you want to do is just get WinRaR and follow this video exactly as I'm going to show you, but the process is going to be a little bit more different, because I'm on Mac myself and I can't use WinRaR because it's not supported. I can show you exactly how to do this with WinRaR, but the very basic steps that you need to follow are exactly the same as for me doing this on Mac, just using different software. But if you want to learn exact tutorial how to perform these steps with WinRaR on Windows, just go to the video description down below and you will find a link to a tutorial how to do this exact same step that I'm going to show you with WinRaR and on Windows. Now if you're on Mac, what you need to do is just go to Google or to the App Store and you want to search for WinZip. Just hit search on that and you want to get this software right here. That's pretty much like a WinRaR but for Mac. So what you want to do is just download this to your Mac if you're using Mac, or if you're on Windows you can go ahead and use either this or WinRaR. Then what you need to do is just get your copy of the PDF that you want to use for this method to your desktop, and you want to launch either WinRaR or WinZip. Now because as I said before, I'm using Mac and I'm going to be using WinZip, but pretty much these basic steps are going to be the same for WinRaR as well. What you want to do is just pretty much go ahead and lock this PDF that you want to be sharing using either WinRaR or WinZip, and to do that on Mac, what you want to do is click on encrypted and you need to drag the PDF into the zip file. Now it's going to make you choose a password. This is the password that we are going to be using to lock this file to prevent bot spam. And pretty much what you want to do is just choose a password, and I'm thinking of a password that I want to use in this method. And pretty much I just remember today is the opening day of MLB 2023 season, so if you are a baseball fan, do let me know down in the comments what's your favorite team in MLB, and I'm going to reveal to you what's my favorite team in the MLB by creating this password. So pretty much I'm going with something like Let's Go Yankees 2023. This is my password for this file, and this reveals my favorite MLB team. Now you can just go ahead and hate me or love me for this. I don't care, the sports, they're just for fun, but I'm going with this password right here. And also what you want to do is just make sure you will save this password somewhere, because you will be needing it later. For that I'm going to use my trusty little notepad right here, just paste it in there pretty much just like that, and click on encrypt. And now I'm going to click on save and save this to my Mac, and I'm going to name it something appropriate, for example X-Back Handbook, just like that, and click on save. And right here you can see I have created this zip file that's password protected. If I'm going to try to open it, it's going to demand that I input a password for it to be extracted. And if I'm going to get my password that I have chosen for this, I'm just going to copy and paste it in there, and voila, just like that, it's going to get extracted. Now pretty much what you need to do now is just make sure you have your password ready. Then just go to this website right here that's called pastebin.com. Just go to Google and search for this, and pretty much what you want to do here in this new paste field, you want to write something like password to unlock the file, and just copy and paste your password in there just like this. Then all you need to do is just go scroll all the way down here. You don't need to worry about any of these fields. Just click on create new paste, and you want to copy the link to this paste right here. So it's going to look something like this. If you're going to copy the link and somebody's going to visit this link, they will get the exact same page with the password and the instructions to unlock the file. And once you get the link to this website, you just need to go back to CPA grip and just make sure that you're going to paste it into its locked URL, just like that. Pretty much all you need to do now is just customize this URL file locker to make it seem more like a legitimate with like a legitimate human verification. For that, just go to this template section right here. And what you want to do is choose one of these templates. Now pretty much you can use any one of these, but I like using this CAPTCHA one because it's the most recognized and people will instantly know what to do once they're going to see it. So pretty much I'm going to go with that. Then I'm just going to change some small details. For example, in this field right here, complete the CAPTCHA below to continue, I will write something like complete the CAPTCHA below to get access to the password. And I'm also going to make sure to rewrite it into this anchor text. For example, after completion, you will be shown the password. Now one of the tricks that I use myself for CPA or file lockers is just pretty much this access time. I'm going to always change it to 1 hour, because that way once somebody is going to access the password and they for some reason close the tab or something like that, they will be forced to complete another CAPTCHA to get access to the password, and that way you can get paid multiple times from the same person. Now once you finish this process, all you need to do is just make sure to save this URL file locker. And once you finish your file locker, all you need to do is just make sure to copy its link. To do that, just go to this section and click on get links. And what I highly recommend is changing this domain into passworddomain.com, because that way this is going to be more enticing as a protected password than a CPA offer. So pretty much I'm just going to copy this link, then just go back to your desktop, and all you need to do now is just create a text file with this password. Now if you're on Windows, I highly recommend that you use Notepad for this, but if you're on Mac, you can use this little neat tool called Text Edit. Pretty much what you want to do is type in there something like, to prevent bot spam traffic, complete human verification to access the password. Click here to verify you are a human. Then just pretty much you want to paste the link to your CPA locker right here into this text document. Pretty much all you need to do now is just save this as a text file to your desktop. Just click on save as and type in there something like password. Okay, that should work very well. And also go ahead and add txt. And just like that, you will get this text file that's going to direct whoever wants to read this document to the CPA locker that you have created. And because they want the password and to read this document, they will complete the verification, and that's how you get paid. Then pretty much if you are on Windows, just pretty much drag this text file into the zip file that you have created, but make sure that the PDF document only is going to be protected by the password, not this text document. This is very important. But when you're using Mac, what you want to do is go to this website right here that's called easyzip.com. Just pretty much go there, click on this button that says select files to archive, and you want to upload both the password text file and the locked PLR zip file to this website. Then just pretty much click on zip files. They will be compressed into yet another archive. Then just download this to your computer, and it's going to look something like this. Once you're going to try to open it, you will get this folder, and in this folder you will find two files: the locked zip document with the PLR file and this text file directing you how to get the password. Now pretty much because once somebody is going to download this, they will want to read it, so they are going to copy the link and visit it, and they will be taken to this URL locker. Once they are going to complete it, they will be taken to this Pastebin website with the password. They're going to copy the password, then just enter it to unlock this file, and that way they will get this document that they want. Now because this document is going to be embedded with your affiliate links from ClickBank if you choose to do that, so there's high chance they're going to be sold by this document and they're going to make a purchase, and that way you can make money 2 times with this method. All you need to do right now is just make sure to share this with as many people as possible, and I'm going to give you a bonus, guys. I'm going to actually show you how to triple your chance of making money with this single file that you have created. And to do that, just pretty much go to this website that's called upforever.com. Just go to this website, grab yourself an account, and you see right here, in order to make money on this website, you will get paid for every 1,000 downloads of your file. Now this may take some time actually, but once you're going to get the right source of traffic for this, you can see you can get paid anywhere between $3 to $7 for every 1,000 downloads of this file. And this is just some additional money that you can make using this simple method on top of the CPA and the affiliate marketing part that I showed you earlier. Now go ahead and create a zip file just like this, upload it to upforever.com, then just use your favorite traffic source to share this to as many people as possible, and once it gets enough traffic, you will see some money from the CPA content locker, from the affiliate marketing links if you choose to embed the document with the affiliate links, and if you get enough downloads from upforever.com just as well. And this is just one of the methods that I've been using as a complete beginner to make some first money on the internet and to see actually that it's working. And it took me a couple of years to start making thousands of dollars per month with affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn how I'm doing that, just go to the first link in the video description and check out my one-on-one coaching program. Other than that, if you want to see yet another free money making method, just check out this video right here. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you in the next video.